Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Welcome back.
Afternoon. Thank you.
Mr. Witness, I just want to remind you of the affirmation you made before this commission that you will solemnly, sincerely, and truly tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
So, to that effect, may I remind you that you are under oath for that.
Okay.
Madam Chair, over to you.
So you're welcome back.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. We can proceed.
Good afternoon, Honorable Commissioners, and Mr. Suso, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I am okay. We would be moving to still on page 39. Now we will discuss Sila and Soma Jalo. Do you have their vouchers?
No.
You don't have their vouchers.
Yes.
And why is that?
Sorry, Silla, the money was given back to him, and he deposited the money into the account. Yes.
And why did you take the money from Soresila?
Simply because there was some payments that needs to be done at the office.
Payments of what nature? What were you supposed to pay?
Actually, I cannot recall the specific payment vouchers that were made out of that payment.
You cannot recall?
Yes.
Did you make payments with the money?
Yes.
Or you don't know what you made payments for?
I cannot recall specifically the vouchers.
You cannot recall what?
I cannot recall the vouchers.
But you only returned the money when you were called by the engaged by the auditor and establishment committee.
Yes.
Why is that?
Yes.
Did you not tell them that you spend the money on council's errands or things that you need to do for the council? Did you not tell them that?
Exactly.
Did you not provide evidence of that to them?
Yeah, there was a time I was invited by audit subcommittee, and yes, I was able to produce documents. But later on, we returned them back to the files, and then I could not trace them, actually.
Why did you not give them the evidence?
I gave them evidence by the time, even internal auditors, I could remember I photocopied and gave them evidence. But recently, I look at the vouchers that particular month, but I cannot specifically see those vouchers in the files.
So you did not give them the evidence?
Yeah, but it was, the money was returned back to Sori, and it was deposited into the account.
When you took the money from Sori,
yes,
you spend the money?
Yes.
For your own personal expenses or for that of councils?
Council.
And naturally you will have evidence of that, naturally?
Yes.
And it took time before the establishment committee or the internal auditor would call you and engage you on that?
Yeah, it took time, almost 3, 4, 5 months.
So after 5 months, when they called you, you must naturally give them the evidence regarding where you spend the money?
Yes. I could fully recall that vouchers were provided to them.
Now, if you had given them the evidence, then there would not be need for you to pay back the money.
No, what happened? I didn't pay the money back. The vouchers were paid at the office. Later, check was prepared, given to Daba. Daba gave back the money to Sori, and it was deposited in the account. If you go to July 2021, you will see deposit of 6,250, 5,500 within that period from Sori Silla. So, meaning those monies are specifically monies returned to Sori for that.
No.
That's what I can recall, and yes.
No, but that would not mean that. Sori Silla is a revenue collector.
Yes.
So if Sori Silla deposits any money in the council's account, the logical conclusion, unless otherwise proven, would be these are monies as a result that she derived from the revenue she collected.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So therefore, unless there's express evidence that the monies that she will deposit in the account is from another source, the logical conclusion would be it is the revenue that she collected.
During my,
Do you understand that?
yes, I understand that.
Do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree with that. I agree with that. But during my findings through the cashier,
Yes.
both myself and the cashier, we come to understand that those deposits are related to that particular transaction.
Who gave Suresila the money?
Daba gave Sorisula the money.
Did you yourself give Suresila the money?
No,
Were you present when Daba gave Suresila the money?
no.
Did Daba provide you any evidence regarding giving Suresila money?
Yes, because normally we reconcile
You reconciled.
with Daba. I normally reconcile with Daba.
What documents did you reconcile with Daba regarding this particular payment?
These vouchers.
Vouchers Daba paid to Suresila.
Yeah.
Where are the vouchers?
Those vouchers, that's what we could not able to trace exactly, because this is cash payment. You will not see any check photocopy.
So they don't
attached.
exist.
Yeah.
They don't exist.
No, it exists, but we could not trace them.
As far as you are concerned, do you see the vouchers?
No.
Right now, do they exist?
The vouchers, no.
If I ask you to produce them, will they still be in existence? Will you be able to find it?
I can find it and see it.
You cannot find the vouchers. You said you and Ndaba, you could not trace these vouchers.
Yeah, we tried, but we could not trace
But
them.
you can't trace them.
Yeah.
So the payment for Suresila is untraceable. Is that correct?
Not
Is
necessarily.
it-
But when I went through the bank statement, I saw deposits that actually related to this particular transaction.
No, you saw deposits which are normal deposits which Suresila can make by virtue of his employment as a revenue collector. Unless you have vouchers which will suggest that those payments were made to Suresila for her to deposit to the bank, you don't have evidence of any payment to Suresila. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, Basamba Jaune. Did we talk about Basamba Jaune?
Yes.
Did you give me the document? Do you have it? Do you have the vouchers for Basamba?
Yes, they are here.
How many vouchers?
Nine.
9 vouchers.
Yes.
Are they all in their original form?
Yes.
Yes. What is the amount in the first voucher?
19,000.
19,000.
Yes.
The second one?
Sorry, the first one?
The first one, yes.
Yeah, sorry. $662.50.
600 and how much?
662.50.
The second?
3,000.
The third?
1086.
1086.
Yes.
Yes. The fourth?
2136. $1,068.
Yes.
9,200.
9,200.
Yes, that's what is available here.
And what is the total?
17,152.50.
17,152.50.
50.
Where is the outstanding balance?
Those one we could not trace the vouchers.
Because the vouchers are not for with respect to the money that you took from Basamba Jaune.
Definitely, we tried to cite for the vouchers of the difference, but we could not, because this is cash payment. The name will not be specified. It's a matter of cash being paid, reconcile out all vouchers together. So definitely, it was very difficult, in fact, even to trace these vouchers from the files.
Were those vouchers all authenticated by the CEO?
Yes.
All of them?
Yes.
Can we have them? Why will you know that what you were doing was wrong, but yet still you keep on doing it? You will call these revenue collectors and demand monies from them, knowing fully well that is wrong. Why will you do that?
Because of the situation that we were.
And you knew it was wrong at the time?
Yeah, we know it is wrong.
We as in you and CEO?
Yes. But notwithstanding, the money was returned back to him and he deposited the money back to the account.
The money was?
Given back to him and it was deposited into Vista Bank account.
So you said this is about 9 vouchers, you said?
Yeah, 8 or 9.
You said, can you count again and let us know, please? Tell me the first voucher.
6 vouchers, right?
The first one is the 600.
The first one?
662, right?
662.50. Second one is 3,000.
Is it 5 or 8 or 9? The third one is $1,086.
Yes, $1,086.
The fourth, $2,136.
Yes.
The fifth, $9,200.
Yes.
Is that all?
1068.
1068. 1068.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes, that's all.
They're about 6.
Yeah.
Honorable Chairperson, Honorable Commissioners, we apply to tender 6 vouchers as identified by the witness. They are all stapled together, all into evidence as an exhibit. The first voucher is has the amount $662.50. The second, $3,000. The third, $1,086. The fourth, $2,136. The fifth, $9,200, and the sixth, $1,068, as identified by the witness, all in evidence as an exhibit.
The witness presented 6 vouchers in a bundle, and they are admitted and marked as LGC/LS/BSAC/008. They are admitted in evidence.
As the commission, please. Now, where is the requisition form for this voucher?
Which voucher?
The $662. Can you please, may we apply to respectfully have the exhibit be shown to the witness?
Staple this again. It's off.
First of all,
yes,
payee's name. Who was the payee? On the IFMIS, on the IFMIS voucher first.
No, on the IFMIS voucher, you have sundry alcalos,
What is sundry alcalos?
meaning it's a combination of different alcalos
Of different
payment.
alcalos. Who was it paid to?
You go to page 3 of the document. Okay?
Page 3.
Yes.
Okay. What is the first name? How many alcalos do you have?
We have 4 alcalos.
What was the date?
Korkasau,
Who? Korgasao. Of which village?
Pilang Korkas, something like yeah.
Okay.
Yes, you have Demadrame,
No, wait a minute. One at a time. How much was paid by Korgasao?
$34 as commission. This is a commission voucher.
No. How much was given to? How much did he pay himself?
The alcalo,
Yes.
$34.
$340.
No.
He collected $340.
Exactly.
Paid that, and then you paid him commission $34.
Exactly.
And the signature column, did he sign? There is a signature column there. Did he sign?
No, it's not signed.
No, signed.
Yes.
Demba Drame,
Batapa.
Batama Drame.
Yes.
How much? $1,600.
Yes.
He was paid commission $160. Did he sign?
No.
Hassan Bah was paid $253. Did he sign?
No.
Is it Cherno Mbalo? $215. 50 bucks. Did he sign?
No.
How are we to know that this list here is an authentic list?
Yes, this one is not completed.
It's not complete.
Yeah.
So let's put it aside. We go to the next one. $3,000.
Yes.
The IFMIS system, because you know why I put this one aside? Because even the CEO did not sign neither the IFMIS voucher nor the manual one. Is that correct?
Yes, but he signs the last one where the alcalos names are.
Which last one is that?
The last one here, the third one, the third page.
The third one we were saying, we already said that the alcalos, none of them signed to indicate that they have received these monies.
CEO signatures here shows that
There is a
payment should be
signature
effected.
on the 28th of June.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
No name.
Okay.
The alcalos, no signature.
Okay.
So you said that one is a non-starter. It's
Yes.
not correct.
Yes, it's correct.
And in addition to that, all the vouchers are not also correct. So we move on to the another one. The $3,000.
Yes.
So tell us, who signed the IFMIS voucher?
The first one,
Yes.
the IFMIS voucher, I sign it.
Yes.
The second one,
The second one,
we both sign.
you both signed.
Yes.
All right.
Then the third one,
Yes.
the members who attended the meeting, all of them signs.
What was the payment for?
Season allowance for finance for agri subcommittee.
See allowance for?
Agri subcommittee.
Agri subcommittee.
Yes.
When was this?
29th of June, 2021.
29th of June.
2021.
Where is the requisition form?
No requisition form.
No?
There's no requisition form because normally these are meetings.
Okay.
They will have meetings, then
So normally you will not have any claim or any requisition form when there's a meeting. Is that what you are saying?
normally there should be a letter from the chairman's office to the CEO.
Where is the letter?
It's not there.
And why is the letter not there?
It was an oversight.
An oversight.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to the next one.
Sondri Alcalos.
Sunday Alcalos.
Yes.
Yes. The IFMIS, who signed it?
Director.
Of what?
Myself.
Director of Finance.
Yes.
And then the CEO?
Did not sign the IFMIS voucher.
CEO signed the IFMIS voucher.
No.
He didn't sign the IFMIS voucher.
Yes.
How about the manual one?
We both signed.
He signed.
Yes, he signed.
He signed.
Yes.
So we have a signature there, but no name.
No, the manual voucher. Yes.
On
Even
what?
on my side, I signed, but there's no name.
No, if you admit your signature, I have no problem with the name. You are the one who is admitting the signature.
Oh, okay.
If CEO comes and admits the signature, and I hold that the two of you are the ones who endorse this payment. But the CEO can come here and say that you have forged a signature.
The way the form is developed, the name is not captured. It's only the positions that is captured.
It's only
The portfolio, the position.
that is captured.
Yes.
So I'm saying that if you have admitted to your signature,
Yes.
that's okay.
Okay.
So how about the commission pays sheet?
Yes. It
Why
was
did
signed.
you have the scratches on the first one?
What?
Do you see that? There was a date on the 9th of June or the 1st of June, which was cancelled, was scratched, and then you have another one for the 28th of June.
No, I believe it's 27th of June. That was
Why was that the case?
No, this was prepared. It's not prepared by me. So I believe
You believe what?
I believe the collector that prepared it made the mistake.
To write on the 9th of June
Yeah.
instead of the 28th of June.
Yeah, on the 27th.
And write Saja, is it Saja Tunkara instead of Bisandungu?
That's
And Alhaji Abdu Jabi instead of Amadou Aliu Jallo.
Yeah.
All of these are mistakes.
No, the collector decided to cancel the first entry, the first writing that he did, and put the right.
But he did not sign across the cancellation, did he?
No,
So how would we know that it is not you who cancelled this?
it was also endorsed by the supervisor.
No, but how would we know that you did not cancel this yourself?
Because normally, if they come for submission, it has to be compared against their submission reports.
If you write something and you cancel it, would you not endorse the cancellation? If you not sign against the
You
cancellation?
should sign.
You should.
Yes.
But was it there?
No.
So how would we know that it was not cancelled by someone else?
The lines shows or lines on top of the writing.
The what?
Shows the lines on top of the writings,
Yes.
and then it had passed through the supervisor. It had been.
The second one is $2,136. The IFP system you signed, CEO did not sign. Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
The date is 27th of June 2021, the invoice date.
Yes.
The apply date is 19 February 2021. How is that possible?
That is an error.
It's an error. And then you go to the manual one, you have the date 27th of June 2021.
Yes.
So the dates are not consistent. Is that not the case?
You go to the invoice date is 27th of June 2021 on the
2021.
IFMIS voucher.
So the voucher number.
Yes.
Tell us the voucher number for the IFMIS system.
1342,
Yes?
and on the manual voucher is 1342.
1342.
42. Yes.
How about the one for the manual voucher?
1342.
Where you have the 3, there was 9 before the 3, and the 3 was written on top of the 9. Is that correct?
Yes.
Why is that? The original voucher number for this one is 1942, and the 9 was changed to 3.
No. The original.
You agree with that?
No.
You said to me yes.
No, the original number is 21001342. Always the IFMIS voucher is the original number.
No, forget the IFMIS voucher. I had asked you the IFMIS voucher. Let's do it again. What is the voucher, the IFMIS voucher number?
1342.
What is the manual voucher number?
1342.
I am saying where you have the 3, there was a 9.
But you have this one before you have this
No,
one?
let's focus on this one again, and after you can explain.
Okay.
Where you have the 3, there was a 9.
I cannot recognize it to be 9.
Is there an alteration of the where the 3 is?
Yes.
There's an alteration of the figures.
Yes.
It doesn't matter whether it's a 9 or a 6.
Yes.
There is an alteration of the figures.
Yes.
So which means it is inconsistent with what we have here.
No. The first entry,
When you have an alteration of figures, it's inconsistent with what you have on the IFMIS in the voucher number.
but the primary entry or the first figures comes from the IFMIS system.
I know the IFMIS system, there is no alteration on the IFMIS system.
Yes.
The manual, is there an alteration?
Yes.
So the alteration will render it invalid. Is that correct? Would that be correct?
No.
So what is the actual number?
Actual number is 1342.
How about the number that was there before the 3?
That could have been a mistake by
By,
Hussein Toure.
let Hussein Toure speak for himself. But do you agree there's an alteration?
Yes.
And therefore, we cannot go by this. Is there a signature to authenticate that?
I believe it is correct.
No. Is there a signature
Where? No, no signature.
against the alteration?
No.
So instead of 1342, the 3 was written on top of a number. That's correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Was that proper? Is it proper?
No.
It's wrong. And how about the receipt?
It's correct.
What is the receipt about?
Fuel supply.
And who received, who is the one who issued the receipt?
Only the signature.
What is the signature of whom? Who is the individual?
Name is not indicated.
Now, go to the next one.
Yes.
The amount is how much?
1068.
Who signed the IFMIS voucher?
Myself.
CEO, did he sign?
No.
Why is that?
Well, there was a time vouchers were given to him for him to sign, but he signed some of the vouchers, but some of the vouchers were not signed.
Why is that?
Maybe he was overtaken by events.
By what kind of event would that be?
Office works.
Office works.
Yeah.
Now, do you think that would be genuine?
Definitely.
Would be a good reason?
Yeah.
If CEO fails to sign the voucher, would that really be good for you as the director of finance?
No.
The next one is $9,200. Did the CEO sign?
If it's voucher, no.
Okay, and why is that?
Like I said earlier,
Now look at what is the PV number for that one?
1691.
Turn to the manual voucher.
691.
Why is that? Why is there a difference?
One is missing.
And what is the explanation for that?
Yes.
Yes, what?
It's an error.
Error.
Yeah.
Okay. The same voucher, different PV numbers. Can that be reliable? Can someone rely on these vouchers? Being an expert, you being the director of finance, if anyone is to present to you these documents, would you rely on them? You'll have your doubts.
If you can justify,
No, you will naturally have your doubts.
yes.
So, because vouchers, where the AP system and the manual should have the same PV number. Is that not the case?
Yes.
Once you have two different PV numbers, it doesn't make sense. Is that the case?
Yes, but like I said,
Please move to the next voucher. $5,600. What would be the date? The date of the invoice on the IFMI system?
I don't have the 5,600 here.
I have a voucher for $5,600. You don't see it? From Basamba Jaune.
No,
It's not there.
no.
Which one do you have?
The ones that we treated, that's the ones I have.
The ones? We have one extra which was photocopied. You had done this the photocopy with the registrar. Is that not correct?
Yes.
And there is one which I have the photocopy, which does not have the signature of the CEO for the IFMI system, but it has your signature. No signature with respect to the CEO signature with respect to the manual one, but it also has your signature. Do you understand? Do you follow?
The one I have here, the 5,600 is not there. Maybe it was wrongly photocopied and attached, I don't know. But the ones I have here, the 5,600 is not there.
It's not what?
It's not part of this bundle.
Okay, so you are saying we have to discontinue this one.
Yeah.
So all these vouchers you have brought have very serious defects. You agree? Do you agree? That's so. That's so?
Yes.
We have to move on. The
Yes.
vouchers you have presented have very serious defects. Do you agree?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Now, Mankumane, $7,000. Do you have the vouchers?
No.
So you don't have the evidence to support these expenditures. Is that a fair comment?
Right now, no.
I had told you, whatever we do here is right now.
Okay, no.
So you don't have the evidence. Management's response. Before that, let me tell you or read you what the implication is as per the auditor. They are saying that there is a high risk of fraud and mismanagement of taxpayers' funds by the finance director. There is a high presence of risk that the finance director might act on his own discretion without the knowledge of the CEO to commit such fraudulent act. What is your response to that?
I disagree.
Which one? There are two statements. The first one or the second one or both?
Both.
So let's go by the first one. Is there no risk of fraud and mismanagement when financial rules and regulations are not being followed?
Yes.
There are. So you agree?
Yes.
The second one, there is a high presence of risk that the finance director might act on his own discretion without the knowledge of the CEO. What would be your? Do you agree with that?
No, because CEO signatures are on the vouchers.
For the ones that the CEO signs, this would not apply. I agree with you. But for the ones that the CEO did not sign, but you had said sometimes he failed to sign, who will take the blame? If you fail to follow the CEO to sign,
But
will you not bear the responsibility?
the check that was sent to the bank was authorized by both of us.
Where is the check? For all these vouchers, we didn't say any check.
Because the money was, the check was given to Daba. Daba withdrew the money and gave it to Basama. Basama deposited money back to the account.
I don't understand when you say check.
I'm saying a check was prepared,
Yes,
given to Daba.
yes,
Daba withdrew the check,
yes,
account these vouchers
yes,
against that check,
yes.
and gave the physical cash to Basama. Basama deposited back the money into the account.
No, you see, you are making a gross mistake. Don't forget, these monies were given to you in cash.
And they are paid for this vouchers.
Wait a minute. They are given to you cash,
Yes.
and you spent the money as far as you're concerned directly from because there were pressing issues. There was no time for banking transactions. These monies were given to you, and you had to spend them immediately.
Yes.
Yes. So don't bring the issue of bank here, because it did not arise. It could not have arisen at the time.
Later on, the money was given back to the collector and it was banked.
No, because there's no evidence of that.
The evidence is
With Ndaba.
no, it's in the bank statement. Basama deposited the money into the account, and Basama can testify to that.
We had already done with this particular discussion
Okay.
with respect to the fact that since you cannot prove and you yourself never gave monies directly to these people and you were not present when Ndaba was giving monies to these people, then there is no evidence.
Ndaba and Basama can attest to
No. Apart from Ndaba came and denied all this.
He denied this particular one also?
No. Ndaba denied the fact that he did not collect money from you regarding these transactions. He had nothing to do with these transactions.
Basama will attest to say he received money from Ndaba and he deposited back the money into the account.
Basama did not attest to that. He did not. So what is your point?
My point is the money was paid back into the account.
I don't deny that. Where is the evidence?
The evidence is you go to the bank statement, you see deposit by Basama.
No, deposit by Basama, I have told you a million times, only suggests that these are revenue collectors and they are depositing money.
Yes, but this particular transaction, I'm saying, like others also.
Will the bank statement expressly explain that the monies are the ones that you took from them?
The collector who...
Will the bank statement expressly write or show that these monies that they are depositing are the ones that you took from them?
The bank will not show that, but the collector who deposits the money...
Answer the question. Will the bank statement show that?
No, but...
So no, wait a minute. Forget the bank statement. If any collector comes here and says that you had returned them the monies or the monies whatsoever, that will vindicate you perhaps. But that will not give an excuse as to why you will collect monies from them when they are supposed to bank the monies.
No, that is wrong.
Good, but none of the collectors can give evidence, either written also, to say that you at any given point in time gave them back monies which they were supposed to go back and bank. The ones that you gave monies to, specifically, they said it.
Do you ask Basama?
Do I ask?
Basama.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
You give me the evidence that you have given XYZ money.
My evidence is the money was deposited by Basama in the account and it is from this particular
Did
transaction.
you give Basama money?
Ndaba gave him the money.
Did you give Basama money?
No.
Did Ndaba give Basama money?
Yes.
Were you present?
No, but I know.
Were you present?
No.
Did you see documentation that Ndaba gave Basama money?
Yes.
Where is the documentation?
The pay slip is there.
No. Which pay slip?
Deposited by Basama.
Where is the pay slip?
They are submitted to the commission here.
No.
Yes,
Nice.
all the pay slips.
No. None. Forget about that. None.
Pay slips for 2021, 2020, 2018,
You don't
19,
have evidence
they are submitted to the commission
show.
here.
You don't have evidence to show Manko Mane you had given him money back.
Mankumane money was not given to him back. It was paid for Ramatulai Jallo, Kumbambalo, and Tai Janko.
Management's response. You know what they said about this issue? They said all the collectors confirmed giving money directly to the Director of Finance without the knowledge of the CEO. Therefore, the Chief Executive Officer should ensure that the Finance Director refund the money, $118,750, of taxpayers' fund to council and evidence of the refund to be presented to the audit team. However, the Finance Director claimed to have evidence of the funds used in council. So they are even saying you have to pay these monies back.
I'm saying I have evidence.
No, we have already dealt with your evidence, and your evidence you and I had already classified it as being really affected by gross errors. So that wouldn't count as evidence. So now turn to page 40. Are you there?
Yes.
No, before page 40, we will deal with that in a special thing. So let's go to page 43 of the system audit. You don't prepare financial statements, do you?
Yes, we do. I do.
At the time of the audit, did you present them with financial statements that you prepared?
By then it was not ready.
Did you present them?
No.
You did not. So they were right when they said you did not present them with financial statements.
With financial statements. For which year?
They said during the period under review, we noted that the finance department failed to present financial statements to the General Council and the Minister of Lands, Regional Government and Religious Affairs since 2019. Since 2019. So even for the time you were there, there was no financial statement.
That's wrong.
Where is the financial statement for 2021?
2019 was 2021. By then, it was not ready.
When was it ready?
Around April, May.
Did you make it? Did you give them the financial statement when it was ready?
By then, the audit report was concluded.
How about 2022?
No.
So why are you saying they are wrong?
The 2019 was there.
No, you were not there in 2019. Were you?
But I prepared for the 2019-2020 financial statement.
When did you prepare it?
In 2021.
2021.
Yes.
How about the one for 2021? The one that you were the finance director.
I prepared it in 2023.
The one. How about 2022?
In 2023.
Who did you present that to?
National audit.
Did you present that to the ministry?
No, it was. It's a draft.
Did you present that to the ministry?
No.
General Council?
Draft, no.
So all you had was a draft?
Sent to national audit.
All you have was a draft?
Yes.
No. So therefore, a draft cannot be equated to a financial statement.
It's a financial statement.
But when you prepare a financial statement, what is the procedure?
Procedure is you have to prepare
and
send it to national audit, and it will be audited.
Yes.
Then from there, it will be finalized. Then it can be shared.
Shared to
the ministry.
So when you prepare it, you don't even submit it to the General Council for scrutiny. You don't.
No.
Not even the ministry.
No.
So, was there any official financial statement for these 2 years? There was none. 2021 and 2022.
There is.
There is.
Yes.
Do you have the copy with you here?
The draft. Yes. Some copies
you think
are
I
here.
sit here to deal with drafts?
The drafts are here.
Do you think we are here to deal with draft financial statements?
They are not audited by national audit.
Exactly. So they don't exist. How about bank reconciliation on page 44? They are together, so I will come back to the implications. So, bank reconciliation?
Yes.
You have bank reconciliation?
For 2021, no.
Yeah. For 2022?
No.
Why?
Because it is not in the system.
Why is it not in the system?
The module is not ready.
The what?
The module in this IFMI system is not ready.
So you could not prepare a bank reconciliation?
Yes.
How would we know how you are spending public funds if you don't prepare bank reconciliation? Tell me.
Bank reconciliation is...
What is the importance of bank reconciliation?
To reconcile...
Yes.
Your cash book with the bank.
And so therefore, if you don't do that, what are the implications?
There could be serious errors.
Errors like how? What kind of errors? Would there not be a risk of fraudulent or financial mismanagement?
Not necessary, but...
Not you, for any finance director.
Yes.
Which you are part of.
But what I did...
No, wait a minute, which you are part of.
Yes.
So the risk still applies to you as well.
Yes.
Good.
But what I did was...
What did you do?
I normally reconcile my bank statement by every month printing the bank statement and checking against the cash book in the system.
Where is that evidence?
The evidence are at the office. The bank statements are there. Monthly bank statement for the 2 years are there. So normally I will collect these bank statements and check against the cash book in the system, where I will add up all the bank charges and reconcile all the debits and credits against the cash book in the IFMI system, so that I can able to capture credits or debits that are not in the cash book against the bank statement.
You don't prepare bank reconciliation. That is the bottom line.
2020
You don't prepare bank reconciliation. You don't.
2019, 2020 was prepared. 2021 and
2019, you were not present.
But I prepared it.
It doesn't matter to me. The period you were mismanaging the council's funds, you and the CEO, the period you were doing whatever you feel like doing, thinking you were in your homes, in the comfort of your homes, trying to decide how you spend public funds, is what I'm concerned about. Don't be drawing me back to 2019, 2020. 2021, 2022 is what we are talking about right now.
The reason for the advance is because of the migration.
The what?
The migration from the old system to the new system.
That is the reason.
Of course.
One of the commissioners asked you why you didn't run the systems parallel. I can vividly recall.
That was an error.
On whose side?
Management?
No, you are the finance director. Is it management who was supposed to prepare bank reconciliation?
But the decision comes from management.
Is it management who is supposed to prepare bank reconciliation? Or the
Yes.
finance director?
Yes.
Whose responsibility is it?
Specifically that of finance.
So why are you
But I'm part of management.
Why are you playing merry-go-round?
What?
Why are you playing you don't play that game when you were much younger?
No,
you don't do that?
I also want you to understand the circumstances why we could not able to prepare a credible bank
see,
reconciliation.
I had reminded you, I am not interested in the circumstances of any area council. I am interested in whether you have done the right thing or you have not done the right thing.
Okay.
As simple as that.
Okay.
Where you cannot account for public funds, you do the honorable thing and you say you have not done it. If you admit first and then you give an explanation, it can be accepted.
Okay.
But you cannot be asked a question and you are giving an explanation without admitting to the facts. The auditor has made an allegation. We are presenting you with allegation. Did you prepare bank reconciliation?
No.
You did not. So how would we know how you were spending the public funds?
The bank reconciliation would not stop you from knowing how you are controlling your income and expenditure in the system. With or without the bank statement, you will be able to account for all monies and expenditures in the system.
How?
Whatever comes in, you have the corresponding
Yes.
expenditure line.
Yes?
So if you go to the cash book of the IFMIS, you will see how transactions works.
Yes?
Yes?
So why is there then a need to prepare bank reconciliation?
To reconcile your bank and your cash book, which I did. Out
Give
of
us
the
the
system.
evidence. Where is
Out
the
of
evidence?
the system. The evidence.
Whichever theory you had done or you had followed during the period, you had decided to ignore the laid down rules and come up with your own Lyman Suso's theory of how to account for public funds. Give us the evidence. Where's the evidence?
I'll bring the.
Do you have it?
Yes,
Where is it?
at the office.
Which office?
Pass it.
Because you know he will tell you bring it. You don't have it. You have not done it. If you had had it, you would have given it to the auditors.
By the time I was not done with the statements,
When you had already mismanaged the public funds, you now were not done. When even the auditors came, at that point, you were not done with any, or even your own theory of reconciliation, you were not done with it. He gave you a theory as to how it should be done. You didn't do it. The auditors came, you still were not done with the Lyman Suso's theory.
even when the national audit left, by then we are not ready. They left, the letter, we sent them the final.
That's what I'm saying. Before they came, you, Lyman Suso, refused to follow the laid down rules of preparing a bank reconciliation. You had your own theory of how you are going to reconcile the accounts. When they came to audit, you couldn't even present them with your own Lyman Suso's theory. Why was that the case?
Because of the situation.
What was the situation?
Was we are on migration.
You are what?
We are migrating.
No. Migration is only affecting the reconciliation, but your own form of reconciliation would not be affected.
No, I did that.
You did not do that when the auditor was present, because you were not ready.
Yes, but now I'm done.
So when they were there, there was no reconciliation of whatever form. Is that correct?
Yes.
Exactly. As simple as that. You admit, we move on. Any questions regarding the bank reconciliation and the yes, the bank reconciliation, Honorable Chair, Commissioners, and the non-preparation of the financial statements? I'm saying whether you have any questions or clarifications in respect to the bank non-preparation of bank reconciliation and the financial statements before I move on.
Mr. Suso, can you read section 903 of your financial manual? Let me read for you, please.
Okay.
It says the bank reconciliation statement, and on indeed it has provided for the procedure to be adopted for you to do that. For section 903, it says that the balance shown on the monthly bank statements received from the bank will usually not agree with the balance shown in the cash book. Certain transactions recorded by the council may not have been recorded by the bank, and vice versa. In order to agree on the balances shown on the bank statement and cash book, a bank reconciliation statement must be prepared monthly by the Director of Finance. A copy of the statement must be filed for reference purposes. So this you were not doing?
Yes.
Thank you. Yes.
Now, Mezo.
Yes.
Cash book, page 45. There was an observation by the Auditor General that during our audit we noted that the Finance Director has not kept an updated and or complete cash book contrary to the above regulation. The previous Finance Director has a good Excel cash book and a hard copy cash book in which he records all the transactions of the council's revenue and expenditure. Interview with the current Finance Director revealed that he is using the IFMIS system, which is at the time not fully operational. The law that was cited is the Finance Regulation Part, I think it's 6, paragraph 31, subparagraph 9, which states that an officer who operates a government bank account shall ensure that all sums paid into that account are immediately recorded in his or her cash book. A vault controller shall ensure that the finance and accounting records are preserved in good order in a manner that facilitates ready access for reference. Yes? Is it correct?
Maintenance of cash book?
Yes.
Yes. Cash book was available by the time.
So they were wrong?
I provided the cash book for them.
Do you have it?
Yes, I have the soft copy.
Have you already submitted it?
At the commission here, yes.
Where did you submit the cash book?
It was given to CEO.
It was given to?
CEO.
Did you submit the cash book?
No, CEO.
Do you not have your own cash book?
Yes, I have it. It's in the system.
You have your own cash book as the finance director?
Yes.
Where is your cash book?
Unless I go to the system.
The book, it's the cash book, not the system.
The cash book is in the system.
Yeah, do you have the original one?
Yes.
Where is it?
It's in the laptop, and I have to access the system and print it out.
When can we have it?
Monday.
Was it not available to the auditors when they came?
Yes, it was available. It was provided to the auditors.
By?
Myself.
So why did they not say so?
That is best known to them.
That's best known to them?
Yes.
But you're already giving it to them?
Of course.
So by Monday, you are requested to bring the cash book, your cash book.
Okay.
Can you do that? Right. Yes, I had been, I think it's already time to stop for now. So I will hand over to the commissioners.
I believe it's a convenient point to stop. We will continue tomorrow. We will continue on Monday. Tomorrow is Friday.
Council, I just want to remind him that I requested for the notes to your budget.
What?
Your notes
Notes
to
to
your
the
budget.
budget. Yes, yes.
Please bring them on Monday.
Deputy Registrar,
Those ones are in
put
Basse.
this in his book.
Please bring them on Monday. Thank you.
All right.
We may rise.